If your chest suddenly jerks and you make a weird hic sound, congratulations! You've just experienced a hiccup. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This contraction forces a quick gulp of air into your lungs. But hold on, it doesn't end there. As the air rushes in, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. It's like a tiny drama inside your chest. Scientists believe hiccups are caused by a variety of things: eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even stress. But don't worry, they usually go away on their own. So next time you hiccup, you'll know exactly what's going on inside your body. Pretty cool, right? Smash that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more fun science facts.